Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new smartphone to review on my desk. By looking at the package, you can already tell which phone it is. Yes, it's the Xiaomi's new Redmi phone, the Redmi 5 Plus. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing and giving my full review on this smartphone. I'm quite excited to check it out. It came in this package. Let's just take it out and see how it looks like. So here is the box guys. I like the color scheme on it. It looks simple yet attractive. You've got the Mi logo at the top. It says Redmi 5 Plus over here. And by the way guys, this phone has been directly imported from China. It's not yet available in India. Let's see what's written at the back side. It has a 5.99-inch FHD plus 18:9 display, has a 12 megapixel rear camera, a 4000 mAh battery, and comes with the Snapdragon 625 CPU. This phone comes in two variants. I've got the 3GB plus 32GB model. It also comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank GearBest for sending me this product for review purpose. Okay, looks like we've got something at the top in this tiny box. Let's see what do we have in it. Oh, it's a case guys. So Xiaomi is also giving you a free case with this phone. That is really nice of them. It's a transparent silicone case and the quality looks good. We'll just keep it aside and check out the smartphone. Let me just take it out of the box. So here it is, the Redmi 5 Plus. Wow, it looks beautiful. This phone comes in 4 colors. I've got the gold one. It looks very nice, especially the 18:9 display. We'll just keep it aside for now and see what else do we have in the box. We have a user manual here, but it's completely written in Chinese, so not of any big use to us. Along with that, you also get a power adapter. It's a 5V 2A power adapter. The Redmi 5 Plus doesn't support fast charging. There's also a USB to micro USB type cable in the box for charging and data transfer, and a SIM ejection tool. So these were all the items you got in the box. Let's just keep it aside and check out the phone. So this is the Xiaomi's new Redmi 5 Plus. The phone doesn't feel that big in size, but has a 6-inch display on it with thinner bezels. Let me peel the sticker on top of the display. There you go. Wow, it looks really beautiful. Both the body and the screen has rounded corners. Looks quite premium in this price range. It has a 5.99-inch 18:9 FHD plus display. At the top you have the earpiece, a 5 megapixel front facing camera, few sensors, and it also has a front LED flash. There's nothing at the bottom, no capacitive buttons on it. Let me show you what's on the right side. You've got a power button here and a volume rocker beside that. The quality of the buttons is nice, they feel solid. At the top you've got an IR blaster, a noise cancellation mic, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left side you've got the SIM card slot. It's a dual SIM smartphone and supports nano SIM cards. At the bottom it has a regular micro USB type port, a speaker, and a microphone. I really wish this phone had a USB Type-C port on it, and this is how the back of the phone looks like. It has a nice matte finish on it. Let me just peel the sticker. I believe the back is made of metal because it looks and feels like that, but I'm not sure as the company has not specified anything about it. The Redmi 5 Plus looks quite premium in this price range. The build quality is very good. You've got the Mi logo at the bottom. The fingerprint scanner is over here, a dual tone LED flash, and this is the 12 megapixel rear facing camera. The phone feels comfortable to hold in the hand. It's also lightweight, weighs only about 180 grams. Let me just power it on. Okay, by the time it boots up, let's go through the specs. The Redmi 5 Plus comes with a 5.99-inch 18:9 IPS display with FHD plus resolution, has a Snapdragon 625 octa-core CPU clocked at 2 GHz, comes in two variants, 3 plus 32 and 4 plus 64 models. I have the 3GB RAM plus 32GB ROM model, has a 12 megapixel primary camera that can also shoot videos in 4K, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It runs on Android 7.1.2 Nougat and MIUI 9 out of the box, and has a 4000 mAh battery. So the phone has finally booted up and I've gone through the setup process. It feels quite comfortable to hold in the hand, and the fingerprint scanner is also placed in a good position. It's easily accessible by your finger. You won't have any problem with that. Let me tell you, the fingerprint scanner on it is very accurate and ridiculously fast for a budget phone. The phone unlocks in an instant, as you can see in the video. I was quite impressed by it. And this is how the home screen looks like. It runs on MIUI 9 and has the Limitless theme applied. You guys might already know about MIUI 9 and its features. You can access the Smart Assistant by swiping to the right on your home screen. And it also has the split screen feature. You've got the nav bar at the bottom. I felt the buttons are a bit small. The spacing between them could have been better. And as you can see, the display has rounded corners just like the body. Let's check out the settings app. Let me open the About section and show you. It runs on Android 7.1.2 Nougat, and here's the Easter egg. The security patch it's running is November 2017, and the MIUI version is 9.2. Let me show you the display settings. It has the same settings as the other Xiaomi phones. Let's go to the storage section and see how much storage is available on it. This is the 32GB model, and out of the total 25.16GB, we have about 16.83GB of free space after installing few apps and games. Out of the box you get about 22GB of usable space. So that was about the storage. Like all the other Mi phones, even the Redmi 5 Plus has features like dual apps and second space. Now let's talk about the display. It has a beautiful IPS display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The display quality is very nice, the colors are rich and accurate, the white balance is also perfect. It has FHD plus resolution with 403 pixels per inch, and the rounded corners makes the display look quite attractive. The screen is also very bright, you can easily view it in outdoor conditions. Xiaomi gave a good display on this phone considering the price. The viewing angles were also decent on it. The photos look the same no matter from where you view them. Let me also play a video on YouTube and show you how it looks on this display. You'll get these two black borders on the screen as it's a 18:9 display. Now to remove them you can pinch to zoom in and fill the entire screen. Videos look quite good on it. I feel it's a good phone for media viewing. Now let's check out the speaker quality on it. Let's play music and check out the audio quality. It has a downward facing single speaker and the audio quality was good on it. The speaker was loud and clear and the distortion was also very less even at max volume. Coming to the benchmarks, I've installed Antutu on it and ran benchmarks. It got a score of 77,129, which is quite good for the price. It can easily handle graphic intensive games, and coming to the Geekbench scores, it got a single core score of 857 and a multi-core score of 4083, which is pretty decent for this price. Now let's check out the gaming performance. Let's start with Asphalt 8. It's a graphic intensive game and I'm playing it in high graphic settings. The phone handles the game very well, the gameplay was smooth, I didn't feel any lag or status while gaming. You'll definitely enjoy gaming on this phone. Now let me show you the camera app. This is how it looks like. It has the same interface just as the other Xiaomi phones. There is no change. It also has HDR mode. These are the camera options. Let me show you the camera settings. There is nothing special over here. Okay, let's see how fast the shutter is. It is quite fast but has slight lag if you shoot continuously. Let me show you the front camera. It has a 5 megapixel front camera and the quality looks nice. There's nothing much in the settings. And one more thing guys, the Redmi 5 Plus also has a front LED flashlight. That can be quite useful at times. Okay, I'll just show you a few photo samples shot on this phone. These are a few photos shot on the Redmi 5 Plus. It has a 12 megapixel primary camera with a f2.2 aperture. The photo quality was actually good. The colors were nice, the sharpness was good, the f2.2 lens was also giving good background blurs in the photos. The only thing I felt was the white balance was a bit off on it. It was slightly towards the warmer side. On the overall, it was giving good results for the price. I've also shot a few photos with HDR on and off. You can check out the difference between them. These are a few photos shot with the front-facing 5 megapixel camera in both indoor and outdoor situations. The photo quality was average. Just check out these samples. The Redmi 5 Plus can shoot videos at 4K resolution in 30 frames per second. The video quality was nice, but the autofocus kept hunting throughout the video. Also, there was no image stabilization on it, so you'll definitely see some shake in your videos. Coming to the battery life, it has a 4000 mAh battery and the battery life was very good. I was easily getting about 5 to 6 hours of screen on time on my usage, which included watching videos on YouTube, slight gaming, and using social media apps. I could easily get about 1.5 to 2 days of battery life. And talking about the charging time, it took about 3 hours to fully charge it from 0 to 100. The call conversation quality was also very good. So that was my review on the Xiaomi's new Redmi 5 Plus. It's a great budget phone, has a beautiful 18:9 6-inch FHD Plus display, the build quality is solid, the camera is also decent, and the battery life was also very good. The phone is priced for about 11,500 rupees and is available on GearBest. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below, you can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and I'll see you in the next one.